Hey guys, RTT back here for another video. Today we are going ahead and looking at my PC. Now this is actually my older PC. I actually just bought a brand new one from NZXT. That was around $4,000. But guys, this was a custom built CyberPower PC that when I bought this in 2018 was $5,000. Now since then I did go ahead and change out a little bit of stuff. First off, I installed a 360 millimeter liquid cooling unit at the very top, as you see. Also, I went ahead and changed out some of the fans, moved some stuff around. But overall, this is exactly what it was before. Again, other than the liquid cooling unit being different, everything else is exactly the same. So, what does this bad boy have? Well, first off, you can see at the top, it does have 3 Corsair fans. It has an NZXT 360 millimeter cooler. It also has, of course, the fans down there for the NZXT cooler. But, of course, I went ahead and changed that. It has a 1080 Ti graphics card. It also has, let me see, Samsung a 1 terabyte M.2 drive. And, of course, I think it has like a 4 terabyte Toshiba mechanical drive in there. Now, overall, this is a really, really great build. Now, again, comparing this, guys, when we get in this video, we're going to go ahead and benchmarking this bad boy and seeing how it actually matches up. Now, I did recently actually buy a 2080 Ti Founders Edition off of eBay, and I kind of low-key got scammed because when I got the card, it was not actually functionable, really. It somewhat functioned, but it could not get over 60 FPS. Now, of course, in this machine, aiming at a 2080 Ti should be able to get over 60 FPS. And main reason why is because this machine has some hidden features with that CPU. That CPU, guys, is an i9 7960X, which, of course, you do not know. It's still, to this day, even though this is like literally almost 3 years later, this PC's CPU is still like $1,200. It's still a very expensive CPU. I think it's like $700, $800, $900, $1,200, something like in that range. I've seen it for different prices. It's really hard to get the CPU. But again, guys, very, very expensive. Now, this is overclocked. The RAM is completely overclocked. What's it called? The CPU is also overclocked. So everything on this PC is also overclocked. So I did go ahead and push this to the max of, ability. And again, like I love to do. Now, my new PC is actually a little bit different. I'll go ahead and take a look at that in a separate video. It is pretty much just, if you guys have not ever seen one, the Creator PC from NZXT. It's around $4,000. And it's actually not the worst in the world. Definitely a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Let's go ahead, though, and run a benchmark. Now, you can see right here, the quality of this video is actually really bad. And the reason why is because there's no reason to actually go ahead and render this out on the recording as a 1080p or 4K recording, because obviously it doesn't really matter. All that matters is the final benchmark of this exact PC, and that's what we will be taking a look at the end of this benchmark. Now, taking a look at what's called, of course, you probably can't read the right hand corner for that reason, but again, I'm gonna go ahead now and pull up the benchmark now, and let's take a look at what this benchmark is looking like. Now, pulling up what the benchmark is looking like, you can see that it didn't benchmark the greatest, okay? Let's be honest. It had 39.8 FPS, and this is running on Ultra. Keep in mind, I'm not running this on like high settings or low settings. This is Ultra, and I'm also running this to system, meaning whatever monitor I'm connected to has that thing. And of course, my monitor I'm running on is a 4K 32-inch 60 hertz monitor, so it's not going to be my not 4K, but my 1440p 160 hertz monitor. I have an ultra wide. It's my 4K monitor. So my 4K monitor is going to go ahead and reach in around, again, like I said, 39.8 FPS, also 1663 score, minimum FPS 21.5, maximum 78.7. So if I ran this on high and I ran this on lower settings, I would easily be able to, probably get a lot better frame, stuff like that. And again, my goal overall in the end of the day is probably to end up upgrading this graphics card and getting another 2080 Ti, maybe this one that actually works, or again, if I could actually get one, a 3080. But I'm not gonna keep hope out there that 3080 I'll end up getting one. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe button down below. There will be 2 videos on the screen. One on the left is what YouTube is suggesting you watch, and the one on the right, the one I suggest you to watch. Go ahead and choose one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.